Hello mga kapongers, this is the live telecast in our championship match of 17 and under girls. The second Calcas Table Tennis Tournament in partnership with Philippine Table Tennis Federation. Alright, this is the first day of our tournament. Mga kapongers, itong mga matitinding labanan sa ngayon. So, kompleto mga umpires natin, mga technical officials natin, ang tournament manager natin dito ay si Sir Ols. Sana Ols. Alright, mamaya tayo magsi-shoutout. Shoutout natin ng mga kaibigan natin dyan. Samantha Bandoho. Alright, thank you for watching. Michael Lebra. Alright. Okay, it's a 1-0. Okay. 1-0 set. Panalo si Sarmiento sa first game. This is the start of the second set. Alright, it's a 1-0 game. Shoutout natin si Cha Teams. Franz De Aziz. Magello Rainier finish. Samuel Po Agudo. Kimberly Ann Sorongon. Thank you for watching. Vince Remitio. John Louis Alcantara. Arthur John Renzo Tapia. Thank you for watching. Mike Araneta. Toto Orozco. Joseph Anthony Cinermo Cilia. Shoutout natin si Ken Reyes. Shoutout natin si Jai Provido is watching. Brian Santos. Shoutout natin si Hani Bandola. Bulacuata. Joanna Marie Sevilla. Zada Marie. China Guan. No. Too soon. Frances Mary Bayado. Thank you for watching, Keep watching. Lamang na ngayon si Sarmiento, the second set. It's a 3 out of 5 championship match for the 17 under girls. Shoutout natin si Kent Empetra. Yem Romero. Shoutout natin si Galayon Kati. Shoutout natin si Edsel Jos Ibanez. J. Yabut Castaneda. Right. Alright, it's a 4-5. Lamang pa rin si Sarmiento. What a nice spin by Sachi. Humahabol ang Sachi natin, Oh, 5-all. Not a close fight. Philip Belcars. Maganda yung counter, Crucial Relente Reyes. Alright. Lamang na ngayon si Sachi, nagbago ang favor. Lamang si Sachi. Mga kapongers. Six-all game. Super close fight. Shoutout natin si Gabriel Curioso. What a nice block by Sarmiento. Shoutout natin si Sharon A. Cañones Cordova. Alright, shoutout natin. Change favor again. Lamang na ngayon si Sarmiento. Oh my God. 8-6 lamang Sarmiento. Shoutout natin si Chian Rula Wallace. Shoutout natin si Mark Ezequiel Nieto, Coco and Carpo. Shoutout natin si John Vincent Villar. Alright, service ni Sarmiento. Super duper. My goodness. Tokya 9-6. Lumalayo ang score. Alright, 10-6. Shoutout natin si Marsuan and Kagaanan. Shoutout natin si Jude Jessite, Christine Leiza, James Verinian, Jaden Verinia, Yem Romero. Shoutout natin si Yem Romero. Alright, 10-7 lamang si Sarmiento. Nakutig na natin. Obya, inampas, nagkamali. 10-8 lamang pa rin si Sarmiento. Shoutout natin si Coach Raymond Lizada, Jelly Cortez, Dex KR, Table Tennis Boss, Chris Robles, Kurt Baroga. Alright, it's a very clean 11-8 for the second set in favor of Sarmiento. Matindi ang bakbakan, matindi. Huwag kayong kukurap, mga kapongers. Kanina 2-0 down din si Sachi, no? Kay Gigi Cabrido at nakaahon siya. No? Nakaahon siya at nanalo pa siya. Maybe it's diesel lang. Hindi medyo diesel si Sachi. Mahina, mabagal minute. Kaya tuloy naunahan. Shoutout natin si Samuel Merculesio, Herbie Francia, Joer Real Barredo, Ray, Mark Manansala, JJ Sabalbon, Vincent Kian Guadalupe, UC. Anton Gabi, the most handsome player of Ateneo table tennis team, Anton Gabi, is in the house. Jero Cesar Ascanio, Sherwin Mercado, shoutout natin si Lindy Darlo, and Marlo Grande Aiso, Alex Castro. Alright, the third set is now starting. Let's watch muna tayo. Yan muna popcorn at spoon. Alright, 1-0. Umuusok ang laro ni Sarmiento. Super duper fast and super duper matapang. My goodness, walang menor sa tira natin. Ganun kalupitan. Shoutout natin again. Shoutout natin si Nilgor Sabater, Alemania. Oh, it's time out. Choma, Garma. Shoutout natin si Lynn Igbita. Shoutout natin si Nurul Hazana. B-Word 40. Chris Tanzaniti. Shoutout Raymond Malana. Shoutout si Hallie Thea from Antipolo Spinning Drive. Alright, Hallie Thea. Shoutout si Carl Calfo. Japanese name is watching. Sorry po. Hindi ko mabasa. Malabo mata ko. Alan Caballo is watching. Rich Fox. Shoutout si Jam Diesta Gintivano. Sazit Islam is watching. Alright, we start the 3-0 third set match in favor of Sarmiento. Let's see what we have now. What the heck? Oh my God. It's a 4-0 game. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin na mamayagpag si Sarmiento. Napakaganda ng push chop. Yung pala, wala laman. Oh my God. What a technique. Ganun katindi ang technique. Hindi halata. Oh my God. Mabigat ang bola. Kumusta sa shoutout si Aris Galvez, Mark Manuel Aguilar. Mark Manuel Aguilar. Alright. Shoutout natin si Leo Angelo Laude. Paul Jovan Alo. Shoutout natin yan. Alright. Nakascore na 2-5 for Sachi. Let's see makahabol si Sachi at makarecover. We'll see that. 3-5 now is the score. 3-5. Shoutout natin si Larry Oliva. Shoutout po kay Pastor Raymond by Sent to Angelo Gomez Valiente. Shoutout natin yan. Right. Oh my God. It's a 6-3 ball game. 6-3 ball game. Shout out to Sanchez, Cerilia, Upias, Cerilia, Paul Joe. Shout out Paul Jovan Alo. Shout out Pitaro Cruz, Mon Ayupan, Power Pound. Shout out to Aris Villarica, John Esquera. Shout out natin si Ina Live. Opia. Oh my God. That was, oh my God. 7-4. 7-4 ang score. Lamang pa rin si Sarmiento. Shout out natin si Aleron, Chris, Asino. Let's see what will happen here. Service. Kati Tulak. Look, Patak. Oh my God! Oh! Oh my goodness, what a shot! What a shot! It's a lucky net ball. But it's a good rally yun eh. Di basta-basta ginagawa yun. Oh my goodness. Shout out natin si Christian, Osella, Joella, Rapis, Kevin Olivo, Daryl Jude, Uido, Divino. Alright, let's see what happened here. Oh my God! Tatlo service non-stop. Kaya guys, kapag hindi mo ma-receive ang service, napakahirap lumaban. Kaya I'm suggesting everyone to practice receive. Practice receive, practice second ball attack, how to receive, more kinds of receive, maraming technique na nagtuturo sa YouTube. And then make it good. Alright, thank you for watching mga kapongers. We have a champion, Sarmiento.
Verse 17 number. Kate Sarmiento.
Kate Sarmiento is the champion, and Sachi is the first runner-up. Alright mga kabars, thank you for watching mga kapongers. Shout out natin si Rishi Villar, Christian A. Taguilid, Fidel Bareng Maldo, John Patrick Cisnero, our IU, Mark Anthony Lucas, Perry Velasco, Ari Bien Suberes, Swanke, Chino Selma, Amin Ovien, Enrico Soriano is watching, Marvin Carter Pickup. Shout out po kay Sir Pasi City Table Tennis Club, especially kay Sir Patrick Palmares. Alright, shout out natin yan, Daryl Jade Uy Devino. Shout out kay Tenten, shout out kay Lardy, Don, Coach Don, Gabernilla, shout out natin yan, si Coach na napakasipag na coach. Alright, shout out natin the Red, where's your Paul Areza? Alright, so we're done. We're done mga kapongers. Thank you for watching, and then this is the end of the day of our tournament for boys under 11, under 13, under 17 boys and girls event. So we'll see tomorrow again. Mga kapongers, is the non-rank event, team event, non-rank team event, and of course my favorite executive singles event. Alright. Thank you for watching mga kapongers. Love you all.